transmission control module. It handles all communications going in and out of Viewpoint. If you reset it, you'll lock out the True Sons and we can take over the channels. Okay, stay by the module and make sure it completes the reset sequence.
Shit, get the hell! Yeah! Spread out! I'll take it! Pick it up, you damn slowpoke! God damn it! I'm going for the plane!
Yeah!
Who did we lose? Move on that hostile! On me! Just like out! God! How the hell did he get up so fast? How do we roll? My other shot! Fire in your patio!
All site facilities are reset to default or under direct SHD control.
That's good to hear. Our comms are coming online and the True Sons are in the dark.
Fluctuations in local power detected. Communications facilities offline.
What the hell?
I'm seeing multiple hostiles on the roof. They're setting up EMP jammers around the radio mast.
It's Wade. He's trying to sabotage the mast. Without it, no one can broadcast from Viewpoint. Agent, get to the roof. You gotta stop him from taking out the mast.